Hello everyone, let us solve this sum. In today's session we have to solve this problem on function. Statement of this problem is if f of x upon x minus 1 is equal to 2 times f of x plus x square, then find f of x. This is given statement. Solution for this, given that f of x upon x minus 1 is equal to 2 times f of x plus x square. Consider this is equation number 1. Now here we have to assume x upon x minus 1 is equal to new variable y. Then try to get x in terms of y, taking cross multiplication. X is equal to y into x minus 1. X is equal to xy minus y. Take this xy on left hand side, hence x minus xy is equal to minus y. Taking x common from these two terms, x into 1 minus y is equal to minus y. Hence, now take this 1 minus y on right hand side, x is equal to minus y divided by 1 minus y. Multiplying numerator and denominator by minus 1, hence x is equal to y upon y minus 1. This is value of x. Replace x by y upon y minus 1 and x upon x minus 1 by y in this equation. Hence we can write f of y is equal to 2 times f of y upon y minus 1 plus x square means y upon y minus 1 square of this. Now we can replace y by x because we have to find out value of f of x. We can replace y by any other variable so we can replace y by x in this equation because we want value of f of x. Hence f of x is equal to 2 times f of x upon x minus 1 plus x upon x minus 1 its square, and consider this is equation number 2. Now put equation 1 in equation 2. Keeping left hand side as it is, f of x is equal to 2 times f of x into x minus 1 is given by 2 times f of x plus x square. So 2 times f of x plus x square plus this bracket x upon x minus 1 square of this. Now we can simplify this. This is equal to 2 into 2, 4 times f of x plus 2 into x square, 2x square plus square of this bracket x square in numerator divided by x minus 1 square in denominator. Again simplify this. This is equal to 4 f of x plus 2x square plus x square upon, expand this bracket to the power 2. First term square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square plus 1. Taking this 4 f of x on left hand side, hence f of x minus 4 times f of x, this is equal to 2x square plus x square upon x square minus 2x plus 1. X 1 times f of x minus 4 times f of x, that is minus 3 times f of x is equal to, taking LCM on right hand side as x square minus 2x plus 1, x square minus 2x plus 1, then 2x square into this x square minus 2x plus 1 plus this x square. Again simplify this. This is equal to, multiply this bracket by 2x square. 2x square into x square, that is 2 times x raised to 4. 2x square into minus 2x, that is minus 4 times x cube. 2x square into plus 1 plus 2x square plus this x square divided by x square minus 2x plus 1. Hence, this is equal to 2 times x raised to 4 minus 4 times x cube plus 2x square plus 1x square, that is plus 3x square divided by x square minus 2x plus 1. Take this minus 3 on right hand side. Hence, f of x is equal to 1 upon minus 3 into 2 times x raised to 4 minus 4x cube plus 3x square divided by x square minus 2x plus 1. Hence, f of x is equal to 2 times x raised to 4 minus 4 times x cube plus 3 times x square divided by minus 3 times x square minus minus plus 6x minus 3, and this is value of function f of x. Hence the answer. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.